In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Calendly at work effectively. Calendly is more than just a tool for setting up one-on-one meetings. It's a powerful scheduling platform designed to streamline nearly every aspect of your professional life, helping you save time and increase efficiency. Let's dive in and explore how you can make the most out of Calendly in your workplace. To begin, let's talk about how you can incorporate Calendly into your general workflows. One of the key benefits of Calendly is its ability to simplify external meetings. By embedding your Calendly link on your website, email signature, or simply sharing it through a message, you can eliminate those exhausting back and forth emails often exchanged with clients, partners, and vendors. This allows external parties to select a time that suits them best, without you having to lift a finger. Internally, Calendly is equally efficient. It can be your go-to tool for coordinating with colleagues, especially when booking time with busy managers or team members. The Meeting Polls feature is a lifesaver. It enables you to find a time that suits everyone without burdening your inbox with a lengthy email trail. Another aspect where Calendly excels is in preventing double booking. By connecting all your calendars, whether they're for work, personal matters, or other engagements, to your Calendly account, you can ensure it checks for any scheduling conflicts. This means it only shows your availability when you genuinely are free, saving you from potential mishaps. Optimizing your time is another advantage Calendly provides. Features like buffer time allow you to add crucial moments before and after each meeting to prepare and decompress. You can also set a daily meeting limit to reserve time for focused, uninterrupted work. Now, let's delve into specific use cases by role, beginning with sales and marketing. In the sales domain, round-robin scheduling is a fantastic feature to distribute new leads automatically to the next available sales rep, ensuring no opportunity is missed. For marketers, embedding a Calendly link on landing pages or in email campaigns is an excellent strategy to let prospects book demos or consultations right there, immediately when their interest is piqued. When it comes to recruiting and HR, interview scheduling can be significantly expedited by sending candidates a Calendly link to self-schedule their interviews. This speeds up the hiring process remarkably. For team interviews, collective meetings can schedule interviews with multiple panel members, only showing slots when everyone is available. Onboarding can also be simplified by creating specific event types tailored for new hire orientations or onboarding calls. For consultants and freelancers, with Calendly, you can integrate with Stripe or PayPal to require upfront payments from clients before booking. Plus, creating different event types for varied services like a 15-minute quick call or a 60-minute strategy session can help you manage client interactions more effectively. Lastly, for IT and support teams, consider using a Calendly link on your support page so users can book sessions quickly with available IT specialists. For group training and onboarding, setting up group meetings can allow multiple participants to sign up for training webinars simultaneously. With these tips, you're on your way to transforming the way you work with Calendly, making scheduling effortless and efficient.